What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Shawn.Stay.Fitted, man. This video has been a process in the making because I've had a lot of OT at work. Haven't had a lot of time to get videos out. I think it's almost been going on like 2 weeks. But I finally got these two in, and these are finally coming in off of one of my first, or actually fitted hat collecting first. I actually made a trade with a fellow hat collector in this hat group I'm in on Facebook, 5950 Hat Society. Hit me in my inbox, he threw one out to me, said was I interested in it because he actually found it just randomly sitting in his local list, which I thought was kind of crazy. Being that, you know, I know people always throw out there that, you know, they have Grails and, you know, unlike shoes, you can have hat Grails too. I can say if this is one of my Grails, or at least one of the top two I was really trying to get my hands on, because when I tried to get my hands on it, it was literally sold out like that. So for the most part, when he told me he actually had it in hand and he picked it up, it was just, like I said, sitting in his lids. I jumped on it. So, and then later, with that being said, we actually made that trade. And he just happened to throw something like, hey, I got this other one, and if you want to take a look at it for another one that I had. And basically, I jumped on that too. So with that being said, we're going to get into that. Shawn.Stay.Fitted first, 2 trades, and one of my top 2, or even Grail if you want to call it, pickups, man. So we're going to get right into it. Let's go. Without wasting a whole lot of time, because I really want to get this video done, because it was real exciting for me to actually be able to get my hands on this one. But I'm not going to get to that one first, because that one is a long awaited one. So this one is the one that he actually traded me after, you know, my Grail one, which came later. And I'm going to try to get a picture up of it. This one he traded me for, I had the Grungy Gentleman 76ers fitted. So I traded that for this one he had right here. Personally, I like the 76er Grungy Gentleman, but let's just say being that I traded it, I'm not going to miss it, or I would have to rebuy it, you know what I mean, on that kind of kick. So, but this one, I actually like the logo of it. It's a newer release, and it's the St. Louis Cardinals timeline. Now, this one, I think, to me, pretty much the logo is dope. How they got the back going through the C right there. I just think it's a dope logo. Worth the trade? Hey, that's why we got YouTube. You can let me know down below. You know, do you think it was worth that trade? Me, personally, I definitely like how this trade came off. And you already know with the timeline edition, you got the gold New Era on the side. And some people like it, some people don't. But, you know, you got that gold inside with that leather suede-ish underlay right there. I heard some people say they don't like the way it fit. It makes the hat a little bit tighter. I've heard some people say if you use the hat stretcher, it comes out fine. Me personally, I use the hat stretcher. It seems like mine fits like a regular size 8 that it would be. You got your MLB logo on the back. Of course, you got your timeline gold on the end. You got your timeline stamp on the front. So me personally, for the 76ers Grungy Gentleman, to me, I think I hit it out the ballpark with that one. Just on the logo alone, I definitely like that one. I know a lot of people like the whole Grungy Gentleman collab. I personally think the baseball collaboration was better than the basketball collaboration, just my opinion, which leads me into my next one. I know a lot of people heard me knocking on this one when I actually picked up on this element, when I did pick up 2 baseball ones, and you pretty much probably already know where I'm going. Now, this trade was made for my Buffalo Bills Wilson football collaboration. I'm gonna get a picture up of that too if I can. It was basically the logo was made out of the actual Wilson NFL leather. So the logo and the side Wilson logos on the side of it was actually the leather like they make with the actual football. Nice hat, very, very nice hat. He asked me if I wanted to part with it before. I said no, but this time when he brought this to the table, I said yes. Most people might say, hey, you know, that one was probably better because it was the better collaboration, being the Wilson and the Buffalo Bills, you know, the leather thing. Me personally, it was a no-brainer. I had to have this hat. New York Yankees, grungy gentleman. I know people have heard me say that on my videos. Keep an eye out for it. I've been looking up. I finally got my hands on it. Like I said, and I mean, it's a basic hat, but I just had to have this hat. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. Got your basic grungy gentleman. You got your new era. This right here is what hit it out of the park for me. I had that Bronx Bombers, man. Classic. Had to have that, man. That is what put it over the top for me on this hat. And of course, you got your grungy gentleman logo. You got your underbill right there. You got your size 8, of course. Got your grungy gentleman new era collaboration right there. Now, most people say, it's a basic hat, grungy gentleman, yada, yada. To me, basically, that right there, that logo right there, enough. That gold sticker on the front, I hands down, pretty much almost could have got any hat for this one. Just had to have this one in my collection. Definitely gonna get some run. Already got plans for it, man, because you know me and how I do. Making another Vegas trip soon. This will be in the packing to go out there. Like I said, been looking for this hat. Glad I was able to get it. Hopefully I'm saying his name right. Shout out to Pastor Juarez. Hopefully I'm saying his name right. Definitely came through for me. We got a couple of other things in the works too. So he definitely looked out for your boy. Definitely want to give him a big shout out. Did the trade. Everything went smooth. He actually sent his package off first. It got to me. I sent mine UPS, hopefully that it would get there faster. It actually took longer. But definitely shout out to Pastor Juarez, man. Definitely good dude. Did everything he said he was going to do. Flawless transaction. So we definitely got more things coming down the pipe from him. Because one good thing about networking, and whether it's shoes or hats and things like that, if you got people in different states, they can definitely get their hands on different things that other people can't. Being that this hat right here I got on, if y'all remember this video, this is from my guy down there in Houston, so shouts out to him. I'm trying to get something rolling with him too. He has a lot of hats he just put up for sale, so he's definitely going to be getting a call from me too. So yeah, man, in this hat game and this shoe game, hey, it always works to network, man, definitely. But like I said, man, I'm not going to hold y'all up. I'm not even going to lie. I just got in from work a couple of hours ago. But I definitely wanted to make this video because I know I hadn't made any videos in a while because work's, it's always crazy. I'm not going to say it now like it just got crazy. It's always crazy. But definitely wanted to get this video in for 2 reasons. Definitely wanted to shout my guy out because he definitely helped me get my hands on something that I really wanted to get my hands on. And 2, I just wanted to let y'all know where I was at, where the collection was going. We still getting them in. I'm just trying to get the videos out to y'all the best I can. So we definitely got more things coming. And the funny thing is, I think I actually got more things coming from a lot of my friends of mine in the hat game than actually ordering. Because right now, I mean, I got guys grabbing a whole lot of heat that they're just grabbing the resale and they're actually reselling it for below retail. So yeah, man, I mean, why not? Especially if they looking out, man. So this is your boy Shawn.Stay.Fitted, man. Just want to let y'all know this is what we got in the pipe so far. Got your St. Louis Cardinals timeline. Grungy gentleman Yankees, man. Been waiting for this one, man. Definitely gonna get some run out of this one. Appreciate y'all for watching. Let me know down below what you think about the trades, man. You know, your opinion, who won, who lost. That's what we're here for. So let me know down below. Hit that thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you're not. Stay tuned for the next one. I got a whole lot more coming down, man. Trust me, a whole lot more coming down. Appreciate y'all watching. Shoot me that thumbs up, man. I'm going to see y'all on the next one. I'm going to get out of here.